Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn this very easy, very simple and beginner friendly pattern which you can use in your blankets, especially in your blankets, and also you can make lace or broad borders and your tops, and you can use this pattern any which ways you want. So let's go ahead and start making this pattern, a very easy and very simple one. Okay, for this project I am using 100% cotton yarn, which is super fine yarn by Magic Needles, and the brand is Cotton brand. To start with, I'll make chains in multiple of 5 plus 2. So you have to make any number of chains that could be multiple of 5 plus 2. So here I'm going to make 40 chains plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll complete 40 plus 2 chains and I'll see you then. So here I have completed 40 plus 2 chains. Now in the first round, in the very second chain from the hook, this chain from the hook, I'll make a single crochet. I'm going to insert my hook, grab yarn and pull the yarn through both the loops on my hook. Here what I'm going to do is to start the pattern with, I'll make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and in the same stitch here I'll make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Now I will skip 1, 2, 3, 4 foundation chains or chain from the bottom, and in the 4th stitch here I will make a single crochet. Here I'll make a single crochet like this. Again I'll make 3 chains up, 1, 2, 3, and in the same stitch I'll make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Skipping 3 chains from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains from the bottom. In the 5th chain, 5th stitch, I'll make a single crochet like this. Similarly, I'll repeat 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Skipping 4 chains from bottom, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the 5th stitch, I'll make a single crochet. One more time I'll show you. 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. In the same stitch, I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll grab my yarn, 3 loops on my hook, pulling the yarn from the first 2 and pulling the yarn from last 2 loops. 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. Total 3 double crochet in 3 chains. Skipping 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th chain, I'll make a, or in the 5th stitch, I'll make a single crochet. Likewise, I'll repeat and complete this round. I'll see you at the end of the round, what we have to do next. So I'm done with my first round, and I'm left with 5 chain stitches. So in the last stitch, in the 5th stitch, I'm going to make a single crochet and I'll make turning chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll turn my work. In the same stitch here, I'll make a single crochet here, a double crochet here. Then I'll make chain 2 and on the top of this, that is on the third chain here, on the top of the third chain here, I'll make a single crochet. Make a single crochet. Again, chain 2, 1 and 2. Now in between these two patterns, in between these two petals, we had a gap here. So in this gap in the sense I've made a single crochet first. So in this single crochet, I'm going to make a cluster of 3 double crochets. 1, I'll not complete this double crochet. I'll grab the yarn, pull the yarn, insert my hook, pull the yarn through first 2 loops. Again, I'll grab the yarn, put my hook inside and pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. I have 4 loops on my hook and I'm pulling the yarn through all the 4 loops here like this. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and now I will make a single crochet on the top of this third chain here, on the top of it, third chain here. Again chain 2 and a cluster of 3 double crochet in this single crochet down here between the 2 patterns. So 1, 2 and 3. Bring the yarn to all the 4 loops and complete my cluster. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Again making a single crochet on the top of the stitch, third chain stitch like this. Chain 2, 1 and 2, and making cluster of 3 double crochet here in the single crochet down here. 1, 2 and 3. Completing it by pulling yarn through all the 4 loops. Chain 2. Every time you have to make chain 2 and a single crochet on the top of this chain 3. Chain 2, cluster of 3 double crochet here in between the 2 patterns. Chain 2. Likewise, I'll complete this round, this whole round, and I'll see you after this round. So I have almost completed my second round, and to end this round I am going to make 2 double crochet cluster here in the starting 1 single crochet that we have made in the very second chain from the hook at very start, and then we have started the pattern for row 1. Now we are completing row 2 after turning this work from here till here. So I'll make cluster of 2 double crochet here. From now on we have to repeat round 2 and 3, but I'll show you how you have to repeat it. Okay, now I'll make a turning chain of 1 for the third round. I'll turn my work, and in the very first chain 2 space here I'll make a single crochet and 3 chains up, 1, 2 and 3. Then I'll make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Then I'll skip these two chains here. In the next chain 2 space directly I'll make 1 single crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and I'll make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Again I'll skip the next chain 2 space, and in the next chain 2 space I'll make a single crochet. Skipping alternates, you have to skip chain 2 space once and in the next one alternately you have to make the pattern. 3 chain up, 1 2 and 3, and 3 double crochets, 1 2 3. Skipping these two chains, in the next chain 2 space I'll make a pattern. Single crochet, chain 3, 1 2 and 3, 3 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2 and 3, and likewise I'll keep repeating this round, and I'll see you at the end of the round here to tell you what we have to do next. So I've almost completed my round, and now skipping these two chain space here, in the last chain space I'll make a single crochet, chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. And what I'm going to do is, on the top of this 2 double crochet cluster I'll make a single crochet here like this. Now again I'll repeat round 2 by turning chain 3, 1 2 and 3, turning my work and making a single crochet, one more single crochet here, which is kind of a cluster here. Okay, like this. Now chain 2, 1 and 2. On the top of the third chain I'll make a single crochet. This basically I'm repeating round 2. Again chain 2, and in between these two patterns here I'll make cluster of 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3, this, chain 2. On the top of the third chain I'll make a single crochet, chain 2. Again in between these two patterns here in the single crochet we'll make cluster of 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3, chain 2. On the top of the third chain here of the pattern I'll make a single crochet, chain 2, cluster of 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3, chain 2, and likewise I'll keep repeating. So basically I'll keep repeating round 2 and round 3, round 2 and round 3, and likewise I'll increase this pattern. So I'll complete few more rounds and I'll see you after a few more rounds. Alright, so my design looks like this. I've made, I don't know how many rows I've made, I just made it. So this is a very easy and a very beginner friendly pattern with only 2 stitches, which is single crochet and double crochet. So this is a very good pattern for your blankets, or even you can make your tops with this, or bed sheets, so, and scarves as well. So go ahead and try this very new and very easy pattern, and do let me know how you like it. And I'll try to make this for my lace work for my skirt. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos. Thank you.